What's up, guys? It's your girl Stiff Breast, and I'm back with another video. Guys, sing down below what kind of video you're gonna post today. Well, guys, what I'm really come to talk about, guys, I need your help. Please, guys, I need your help. I need my supporters to give me this little kind of help I'm asking for on my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm having a little problem right now because the 1 year has really already passed and I need to build up my watch hours. Yes, guys. So what I'm asking for, if anyone could really play my channel. I don't know how you can do it, if you can run it at night or you can run it at day. But me I beg you, please, guys, please, me I beg you, give me this help. Please, me I asking for this help, guys. Just please run over to my YouTube channel and give me this little help that I'm asking for. Just support the thing, guys. You don't know support for support, although sometimes support to support don't work out. So Camille, right here known as Stiff Breast Ent, is asking for that help. Guys, me asking you, please, me I beg you, guys, please, guys, watch the video from start till the end. Please, me really pass my watch all here, and what is really happening now, it's dropping, guys. Me really need to push out more. Yeah, me have to help myself first, but guys, I need your help. What I'm really going to do, guys, now, what I have to do is like I have to post like 2 times a day, or me can't even really make a day pass and me don't post a video. Me have to post often now, guys. That's what I'm saying I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get up off my feet and I'm gonna start post like 2 videos a day. Yes, guys. So me I go do the do and me I beg enough for the help, guys. So guys, me not really have much to say. Me just really comfy beg on this little help. Hold on, guys. Yes, guys, me not have much to say. Me just only come to ask for this little help, guys. So me I beg on please, guys, run over to YouTube channel, guys, and give me that support, guys. I really need the help. Yes, guys, so me I beg you, please, guys, run over to me YouTube channel. What I'm saying, guys, me I beg you, please. Me I gonna push myself, but guys, me I beg you that little help. Me I beg you that help, guys. If you just run me playlist, me channel. Yes, guys, if you can do it in the morning, you can run it in the night. Me know say some people use data, but I mean, like, for the people that have internet home, me I beg you for your help, the guys. Please, guys, me I beg you, please. Please, me I ask to help me that on that. So you know we have to, God help who help themselves. Me have to push myself. Very push myself to do that too. So me I beg you if you just give me a little help on that too. So guys, that was basically what I'm asking for, this little help, please. And if you're never subscribed as yet, please go ahead, guys, and subscribe. Like the video, comment, share, and tell a friend about the Stiff Breast channel. Yes, guys. So guys, another thing again, please, I'm asking you for this little help that I am asking for. Please, guys, may I beg you, guys, may I beg you, please. God help who help themselves. So guys, this is the end of the video, as what I said already. Yes, so I am out for now. Bye.